Hello. Welcome to my unboxing of the Wild Hare Kit's August Deluxe Kit that I've ordered. I'm really excited to be part of the Wild Hare Kit's design team. I have been loving their kits and what I've received to date, just as a normal scrapbooking human being from Allison and team for some time, and the opportunity to do to be part of that and create as part of the Wild Hare Kit's design team. Starting now for the next year is just yeah, it's just fabulous. So here we go. So this is my first unboxing video for as a design team member, and so I ordered for my first kit a really travel focused style profile. I've got a couple of big trips that I'd like to start documenting, and I'm going to start documenting them in traveler's notebooks. That's kind of my first foray into traveler's notebooks. I've been using them as an actual planner, but I've never actually used them for scrapbooking memories, and I think it's going to be a really good way to get creative design, but also a lot of my stories written down. I'm a bit intimidated to journal sometime on scrapbooking pages, but for some reason in a traveler's notebook side, I don't hesitate to just keep on writing. So I think it's going to be a good balance to get some of those memories down as well as still get to be creative with paper and scrapbooking. So again, this is the deluxe size kit. There are a couple different sizes, so just want to make sure that you're aware. So everything that you get comes in this really awesome bag with their very cool logo on there, so nothing gets wet or wrecked in the post, and then it's put inside a really hard cardboard envelope as well. So have confidence when it's coming to you. Everything comes with this great little thank you appreciation note and a little note from Allison as well, and a reminder of our hashtag. So when you're creating or you're receiving or you're doing your own boxing video, please use hashtag the Wild Hare Kits. That would be fabulous. We love seeing what you do. In this kit, I'm so excited. This is some of the crate paper here and there, their recent travel collection washi tape. And I just love it. I absolutely dig it. So this one's blues and grays, got some teals and pink in there. Complements beautifully with this two-toned pink departure and arrival washi. And then this, look at this fabulous rose gold here. So a perfect complement to those. I'm really excited about the rose gold right now, so that makes me happy. Color cast designs. This is really exciting. So this is an acrylic word, take a hike. I made it clear in my style profile that I generally travel to hike, or that is the whole purpose of my hike, or sorry, of my trip. So this is going to be really great on these pieces. And in here is also these wooden banners, adventures calling, adventure awaits. Yeah, so this is going to be really good. There's 6 in there, and I think those are going to be just fabulous on pages as well. And they're nice and thin, so they'll be good for traveler's notebook, so which is always something to think about from a size perspective. As well, here is Here and There Crate Paper Collection. This is their rub-ons. I absolutely love these. I think these are going to be so fabulous. Traveler's notebook or a 12 by 12 scrapbook page or anything. They're just too cute. So those are wonderful, and I love the black and white of them, because I think those are a nice black and white pop looks so good with color. So wonderful. Some more Here and There collection. This is their 40 pieces of ephemera from the Crate Paper Collection team again. I haven't seen these. I didn't know the collection came with this, so this was like beyond exciting to open this up with. And there's lots of pieces in here. You can see there's 2 little packages, and lots of them have a rose gold accent to them. So here's a look at all the pieces that are in there. So I think those are going to be really great to just tuck and layer, and oh, pretty excited to get this guy open. Good. And then American Crafts Everyday set of 2. This is just an alpha set here in like an olive drab lime color, I would say. I'm really excited. This seems to really match all the other stuff that's there. Of course, man, they just know how to match stuff. And I also like the font. It reminds me of those train station boards where the numbers flip to tell you when the next train is coming. So that really makes me feel travel-y. So very fun. And then there's some phrase stickers here from American Crafts Stickers. Loving the rose gold. So many great sayings. OMG, fun. Paradise memories. These are just fabulous. And the fact that there's 2 sides, it just makes you feel like you're getting so much. And they're also the ones where they have the different colored foam. So these ones have white foam underneath them, and kind of gives you a bit of extra dimension on your page. So that's really exciting. Okay, and then let's move on to the paper that I've gotten. So again, this is the deluxe kit. So you get quite a bit of paper in there. And I asked for no cardstock. I've got quite a stockpile of cardstock. And I find I'm just reaching for the pattern paper more and more now, and not really using much cardstock other than black craft or white. And with travel, I don't know, it's kind of permission to be a little crazy and use kind of colors you haven't before, and use multiple patterns. So I was really excited to just see patterns in my deluxe kit, and they are fabulous. So Here is one from Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, Turn the Page. So floral, really bright. Not my usual thing, but on travel, this had such great dimension to pieces, so I think it's going to be really good. And I definitely love this side. The lines here just represent to me like moving trains or something. Again, that whole movement flow travel piece, and I think it's going to be really great. So that's wonderful. Slide that back there. Simple and Sweet. This is the newest collection from Pink Fresh, and I think this is going to be wonderful. I've been coveting these lemons on the Pink Fresh social media account, so that's going to be so fun to use. And this chevron style, again, chevron just reminds me of movement. I see travel here. I think it's going to be really good. So good one, good one. Okay. Some more Pink Fresh here. Oh, just loving them right now. So this is another one from the new Simple and Sweet collection called Good Company. Love this. There is so much potential here as a background or in fussy cutting. I think it's going to be really great. And as well, look at this side. Like that is just fabulous. The heart. Oh, I can just already see how I'm going to be using this. I think this is going to have to be a 12 by 12 page because I'm going to want to keep that exactly as it is. So that's good too. Thank you. Okay, this is One Canoe 2. This is their Twilight collection. So the backside here is their, I hate to say it, but beautiful moths. They are gorgeous. Look at those colors. And then on this side is that two-tone blue, kind of paisley wood circles type thing. And these are great. I think those are going to be really wonderful as a layer. And the bottom strip even matches everything that we got going on here. So that's quite fabulous. Okay, still on the blue, which is wonderful. That is my favorite color. This is the Maggie Holmes Flourish, so another great paper collection group. And I love this. The two-tone blue, again, I think is really great. Again, I'm not much of a floral person, but they do have a place in making that page pop. And for me, bringing that femininity to the pages. I hike in classic technical hiking gear. So, you know, you're not looking super feminine out there, but I do like to bring that little piece to the page. So I think this is going to be really good. And I absolutely love yellow and geometric patterns. So this is just bang on. This is going to be really great. It'd be interesting to see which side I use because I really quite enjoy them both. So always the challenge with the A-B sides. Okay, some Pink Fresh again. Here we go. Sweet, Simple and Sweet, that new collection. Love this. Well, I'm loving everything from Pink Fresh right now, so I'm so excited to get my hands on this. I think I'm going to end up cutting these up into kind of labels and titles and phrases, like never lose your sense of wonder. Hello, perfect. And layer these up in a traveler's notebook. And this side's also really great too. So that really basic background piece, I think that would go good as well with anything. So that's a really neat one. I like that. You can get quite a bit out of that page. Perfect. This is the Pink Fresh Let Your Heart Decide collection. So this is called Instinct. Love the color scheme of this, the blues and the teals and that bit of white. I think that has a good place in travel as well. So I think that will be good. But I absolutely love this side. So I know it's the one I'm going to end up using. Just watercolors. I just love it right now. And again, those lines, they suggest movement to me, or travel. Yeah, travel can be a bit messy. And I think it's going to be really good. So that's a good one. I'm going to pop into, this is the cut file, and I've just got it backed on one of the other pieces that I've got so you can see it pretty clearly. So for every month there is a cut file that comes with the kit that you can access, and this is the one for August. So I think waves, I think movement, I think hot vacation. I think this one is going to just translate really well into an awesome page. So I'm really excited about that. Just put that aside there. And then here is Crepe Paper Wild Heart. And I have not got my hands on this piece yet, and I have been coveting it. There's been a couple of scrapbookers on Instagram who've used it. And just the colors are perfect. That dark navy with the distressed green, I think is going to be just really fabulous and make things pop. And the other side is great too. That kind of thatched, I don't know, tiki house side type of thing, or parquet flooring or whatever that might be, but that kind of wood grain kind of concept I think is just so easy to work with and suggests travel, especially to hot places. So that's going to be wonderful. And here is the last piece of the pattern paper in the collection. Save the best for last because I love this one. I love words. I love a background of all words, especially when those words are as fabulous as I am strong, I am grateful, I am enjoying life. This particular piece from Simple Stories I Am collection, if you can kind of see there, some of the phrases are actually in rose gold, which is going to just look fabulous with these pieces from the washi tape as well as the ephemera pack. And then the other side is also totally great. So just a bunch of bright cameras. That's completely travel related. So yeah, I think they're going to be good. So that is the papers, and these are all the extra bits and bobs and goodness that came along with it. And then of course they also came with this great cut file that is available every month, a different cut file. So Really great. This is my deluxe kit for August. Thank you for watching this unboxing video, and stay tuned to my Instagram channels and of course the Wild Hare Kit's Instagram and social media and their blog for all that the design team creates this month.